Kikubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Hapdeng kijing perking ke badang Trei kam habarok kawai ka East Khasi Hills District ke Sorkar jela ha kesngi thoding ka arpu pratrik ujemang arhajar arpwai kalapan bena kato kani kijing penjensur ya kijing perking kum kijing Shah Biang ya kinong bala bantrai hagi jaka batai jingtai kum kiying jong kiriu shimet usembut menteri Rangbah oba Presiden Song ulai itu bagi nong bala kinyo ban sedang Trei Biang nado kalai pui terik bat kim dai ban Leit ban wan na kawai ka Shnong Shah kawai pat henrei kidai ban sa alpa ha ka jaka Trei jongki kani kijing Shah Biang ke Sorkar ya kinong bala kalawan ru hadin ba ka jing penpau unong san Hima ya kijing kinong bala ha ka baki arngut ki Rangbah Shnong ka maulai potmuri bat mau dat baki kila kren ya kani bat keli ya ke Sorkar lei kam Shah ban Trei kinong bala ke basa alpa ha ke jaka Trei kelabu jing keliru kumno kinong bala kidang beteng ban Trei ha ki projek jong ke Sorkar kum hasilong politeknik ula ongru bagi dukan detail hardware shops bat jing tai kin pli ha ka ba an haban penbek da ka office ka deputy commissioner iska sales district
in situ construction works for government projects that does not involve movement of laborers are permitted with due intimation to Deputy Commissioner East Khasi District, and in situ construction works of private projects, private construction works that does not involve again movement of laborers are permitted subjected to prior permission and regulation to be done by the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills.